When you pursue your ambition for innovation, the result is a revolution. A smartphone that expresses our passion for perfection. Introducing the first fully wireless smartphone ever. This is wiPhone. An exceptional immersive design with one spectacular OLED display, in-screen fingerprint sensor, 4200 mAh battery, and a built-in slider which reveals wiPhone's most impressive feature, the compact wireless kit. This is Shift. It represents the ultimate link between wiPhone and your computer, specially designed to connect wiPhone in just a second, so you can transfer all types of data wirelessly. Shift sets the new era of wireless portability. These are IONS, an exceptional wireless earphones with a breathtaking ergonomic design that uses an all-around compressible silicone to fit perfectly in your ear. With hi-fi sound quality, stereo phone calls, and noise cancellation, all packed in just 7mm. Their design not only means that your earphones are one click away, but also means IONS will start charging once the slider is back inside.